Meaning of flunk.
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 Flunk. The word flunk is often used to describe the act of failing a test, course, or academic requirement. When someone flunks, they do not meet the necessary standards or expectations set forth by an educational institution or program. This can result in negative consequences such as having to retake the class, missing out on a promotion, or not being able to graduate on time. It is important to take studying and education seriously in order to avoid flunking and achieve success in one's academic and professional pursuits.